Yesterday I went to my uncle's daughter wedding treat, which is purely a non-veg treat. There I had a very good time with my family and relatives. There they served mutton biryani with onion raitha and thalja. There they served all the items on banana leaf, which made me more satisfactory. Eating food on banana leaf is very good for health, so please try to eat on banana leaf every day. They served mutton biryani, pepper chicken, mutton cholesterol thalja and also rice paayasam. Each and every dish has its own unique taste, especially the mutton cholesterol thalja plays a vital role. Mutton biryani was very tendery and tasty to eat. The mutton pieces were very juicy and the color was tempting very much. The aroma of biryani was awesome. This biryani is prepared by Vellore Biryani Caterers. I gave their details in video. This biryani tastes exactly Ambur Star Biryani. If you are having any function, please try this biryani caterers. Thank you. Now enjoy by watching this video.